Hello viewers, greetings for the day. Hope you all are doing good. Here I come up with another two types of conversion. The first one which I am going to discuss here is conversion of decimal to hexadecimal, and the other one is conversion of hexadecimal to decimal. Before I start this, I would like to suggest you to watch my previous videos so that you can have a better understanding on number system terminologies and the types of number system. Links will be provided in the description box. Do check it and watch. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now, let us move to our first concept, that is conversion of decimal to hexadecimal. Whenever you are given with a decimal number and if you want to convert it into hexadecimal, follow these steps. The first step here is divide the given decimal number by 16. Start dividing the given decimal number by 16. Next, note the quotient and reminder. Keep on noting the quotient and reminder. Third step is repeat these two steps. Repeat these two steps until the quotient becomes 0. Repeat step 1 and step 2 until the quotient becomes 0. Here in this division, the first reminder is LSB and the last reminder is the MSB. Next, while writing the hexadecimal equivalent, always write it from MSB to LSB. The hexadecimal number is written from MSB to LSB. Now let us take an example for this. Our example here is convert 559 to the base 10 to hexadecimal. How will you do it? We'll start dividing it by 16. Start dividing the given decimal number by 16. See, 16 3s are 48. 55 minus 48 is 7. The remaining number is 79. We don't have 79 in the table of 16. So 16 4s are 64. 79 minus 64 is 15. So the remainder is 15. How will you write 15 in the hexadecimal number system? We'll write it as F because F is equivalent to 15. So write it as F. As this is our first reminder, let us make it as LSB. Next, keep on dividing until you get the quotient as 0. 16 2s are 32. Reminder is 2. We cannot divide 2 by 16 as we don't have 2 in the table of 16. So 16 zeros are 0. Reminder is 2. Once you get the quotient as 0, what do we have to do? Stop dividing the number. Let us stop it here. As we got our quotient as 0, let us stop dividing the number here itself. What is our last reminder then? Our last reminder is 2. 2 is our last reminder. Make it as MSB. Now write the equivalent hexadecimal number. How will you write it? Write from MSB to LSB. That is 2 to F. 2 to F to the base 16 is hexadecimal equivalent of 559 to the base 10. This is how you have to convert any given decimal number to hexadecimal number. Now, let us move to our next concept, that is conversion of hexadecimal to decimal. Whenever you are converting a hexadecimal to decimal number, you have to follow these two steps. The first step here is multiply each digit of hexadecimal number by its positional weight. Multiply each digit of the hexadecimal number by its positional weight. Here, the positional weights are in power of 16. Next, add all the products. We have to add all the products. Let us have an example for this. Convert 5af.d to the base 16 to decimal. Start multiplying each digit of hexadecimal number by 16. Always start giving the weights from LSB, which is LSB in this 5af. F is our LSB. So that we'll start it from here itself. F into 16 to the power 0 plus A into 16 to the power 1 plus 5 into 16 to the power 2 plus D into 16 to the power minus 1. Right? Simplify it. 5 into 16 square plus a into 16 to the power 1 plus f into 16 to the power 0 plus d into 16 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 16 or 1 by 16 to the power 1. Simplifying it again, 5 into 16 square plus a into 16 to the power 1 plus f into 16 to the power 0 plus d into 1 by 16 is 0.0625. 5 into 16 square is 256 plus a is nothing but it is 10. A is equivalent to 10. 10 into 16 to the power 1 is 16 plus f is equivalent to 15 into 16 to the power 0 is 1 plus d is equivalent to 13 into 0.0625. Here the highlighted terms are product terms. What are the products here? 1280, 5 into 256 is 1280, 10 into 16 is 160, 15 into 1 is 15, 13 into 0.0625 is 0.815. Add all the products. By adding all the products, you will get it as 1455.8125 to the base 10. This is the decimal equivalent of hexadecimal number 5AF.D. This is how you have to convert any hexadecimal number to a decimal number. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.